guys, it's SHAILAH.LESHE. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tutorial Tuesday. I haven't done a Tutorial Tuesday in a really long time, you guys. So I thought I'd kick off the first week of October with a Tutorial Tuesday video. And today I'm just doing these super cute wand curls. This is the proper way to do a wand curl. I know you're used to probably one way, but this is the proper way. Well, I wouldn't say the proper way because either way you do it, it still comes out nice. But this is a different technique of how to do it. I'll say it like that. This is a different technique of how to do the wand curls to just get them super full and dimensional looking. So it just looks like it has a lot of dimension in it and a lot of body and fullness. I love this technique. So if you want to see how I do it, keep watching.
So first I have my wand curl gloves so I can protect my hand from the wand iron. So I'm just going to section off a piece of my hair and make sure I use my hairspray and wrap the hair forward on the wand curler. So this time I'm wrapping it forward, and the next section I'm going to wrap it backward. So now I'm going to take the next section and wrap it backward on the wand curl. So not forward, I'm going to wrap it backward. And that is what's going to give you that nice dimension, because not all the curls are going one way. You have some curls going one way and then some curls going the other way. So that's what gives you that nice full dimensional look that we're going for. So now I have two pieces, one going forward, one going backward, and that's how I'm going to do it all the way around. So as you can see, I'm taking small sections because I want my curls to look a certain type of way. The fatter sections you take, it's gonna give you a different look. The smaller sections you take, it'll also give you a different look. So it just depends on what look you're going for, but I decided to just do small sections. Okay, so now we're done wrapping the curls. So I'm just going to take some hair serum and rub it in my hand. And I'm just going to gently pull the curls apart. Very gently. And I'm just going to do this all the way around my whole head. As you see the difference. Just lightly pulling them apart. And just combing through the whole head. I also like to flip my hair over and kind of shake it out, just so those curls can get nice and big and full. And there you have it, nice and full, has so much dimension, and it just looks bouncy and full. I love, love, love this look.
Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you aren't already, you guys. Join Chi-Town family, okay? And definitely comment down below to let me know what else you guys would like to see. But put some pink hearts in the comments if you really like this look, okay? This wand curl look. I love, love, love this look, you guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.